Hi everyone, family friends, welcome to Becky's kitchen. In this video, I'll be showing you how I prepare pure coconut milk, no water added to it, so easy to make and no stress. So stay tuned and let's get started. For this recipe, we need coconut. Break it. Now that I've finished breaking it, then I'll fill in with coconut because later I'll be using it to make a coconut flour too. So I would love to peel it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and let's move together. So see you in the next one.